In different men, chemical induced fantasy and fame, yeah, the things we choose. Show me hey. Yan mga anak, ang dami kong hinunbox. Kasi yo, Tashi hambun kamsaduriku. Naman kumawayo sarangan ni Dayon. Para sabi ni Jungkook, I love this. Oh, I love this. Yung CD niya. Ay, lyrics po ng tracklist niya po mga anak. Yeah, another. Si Jung TV. Si Jungkook Cars. Yan mga anakers, ang dami kong hinunbox kasi I bought all the versions. So this is the last version. So we already done the rooted in Korea versions and rooted in music versions. And this one is, what's this? The Living Legend versions po siya mga anakers. So this is the big one. The square, the rectangular, and then this is a rectangular also, but it's the bigger one. So BTS, Arirang is the symbol of Arirang BTS. So let's do the unboxing. Oh, I don't feel any tardiness. So, I'm so excited to unbox this one mga anakers. Kerosene, Defamin. Ano po yan? Kerosene, Defamin. Kalimutan ko. So, yan mga anakers. Kerosene, Defamin. Kerosene, Defamin. Chemical induced pala yun. Kerosene, Defamin, chemical induced. So, yan guys, let's do the... Na-LLS na ako dun sa part na yun. Alo! Look mga anakers, oh. Ito yung tracklist ng music. And then, sabi dito is Bantang Sunundan. BTS, Bantang Sunundan. Okay. Ganito yung... okay. So, let's like this. So, Arirang. Like this. So, ito yung outbox niya mga anakers. And then, this part, ito po yung mga messages po ng members. All the members. So, sabi naman dito ni Jungkook, tukate. Okay. Same messages like all same to the other versions po ng albums. Same messages. Yun nga, mani buko turok sa'yo, Tashi hambun kamsaduriku, naman kumawayo sarangan ni Dayon. Para sabi ni Jungkook, all same messages. So ito yung outbox. So this is the look guys, it's so nice. Ayan. Oh, I love it. You got it ata to na. I like this one. Yeah, it's very unique design. So then all their names is here. So I think it's a poster. Yeah, this one guys is a poster. Yeah, it's a poster. It's very unique. Oh my god. So guys, oh my god, so nice. I love the poster. I-frame ko talaga itong mga anakers to my new room. If I going back to my house, i-frame ko to. Yeah, it's so really nice. I love. Yeah, the quality is more thick this time. Oh, mas makapal siya ngayon mga anakers. Oh, oh my god, I love it. Sarang hiyo. I love this. I love this poster. Yeah, worth it. Everything is worth it mga anakers. So, let's move. Ito yung CDR. I think, yeah, ito yung CDR. So, ganito siya mga anakers, yung CDR niya. Yeah. Like, okay. Hello. Wow. Yeah, this is the special thanks. Ito yung mga taong bumuo po ng album na to. Nakasulat yung mga pangalan niya. It's very nice. Look. Napaka bold yung kanyang text mga anakers. Parang kumikislap siya. Ang ganda. And then ito yung CD. Okay, ito yung CD na. Ito yung CD niya. I have 3 CDs na. Okay, I love the CD. Next, ito yung lyrics po ng tracklist niya po mga natin. Oh yeah, same. Iba-iba yung versions nga lang nila, but everything is almost same mga anakers. Kanta natin na naman ulit yung kuan, yung normal. Ayan, normal. Kerosene, Defamin, chemical induced fantasy and fame, yeah, the things we choose. Show me hate, show me love, make me bulletproof. Yeah, we call this shit normal. Run away outside. Diba? Nalalas na ako dyan. Ano to? What's this? Ito yung photo. That's the another poster. The small one. Yeah, it's like this. Yeah, it's a poster. Yeah, it's so really nice. The back side. Ayan, ganito rin siya mga all their names here. And the next, yeah, ito yung photo book. Yeah, ganito siya. Oh, yeah, it's really unique. It's very useful. So, ganito yung photo book niya mga anakers. Si RM, si Jin, si Suga. Look. And then si J-Hope. And then si Jimin. Oh my god, ang gwapo dito ni V, oh. Si V, of course, may baya, si Jungkook. Ah, okay. Yes, really unique. And then, the group picture. Oh, ay, ang ganda. Ito pala yung back niya pala mga knockers. Oh, Living Legend. So, the back of the photo book is so really nice. Parang siyang poster din, no? Oh, ang ganda. Ito yung back niya. Ito pala yung mga back niya mga knockers. Like this. The back of the photo, the photo book. Ang ganda. Parang siyang poster din at the same time. Double purpose. Yung photo album niya. So, yung mga group. Ganito yung back niya. Yung logo ng Arirang. The group pictures. And then, yung mga solo-solo. Si RM. Ganyan siya. And then, si Jin. Oh. And then, si Suga. Oh my god, I love this photo book album nila. It's very unique. Nakafocus talaga sa mga characters. Si Jin. Si Jimin na. Si Jimin. And si V. And then si Jungkook. Yeah. Another group pic. Ayan. Oh my god. Ayan, ito. The last part. I like this design. Si RM. The back niya mga knockers, oh. RM. Wow, I love it. And then si Jin. Then at the back of Jin is this one. Oh. Si Suga. And then Suga. And then si J-Hope. Oh. I like it. And then si Jimin. Oh my god, so nice. I love these versions. The Legend version is so really nice. Yeah, I love this one. Si V. Okay. Jungkook, may bias. Look guys. Si Jungkook. OE na naman si Mama So. Ayan, the Limit Legend. So yan mga knockers. And then the last page. This one. Dito siya lahat. Yan. Yung pictures nila lahat, all the members. And then the track list. And then the Hybe. Yung mga productions niya, yung mga BTS. Oh my god, I really love these versions. Oh my god. Yeah, it's so nice. Sorry. Yeah, it's so nice. I love this one. Ganito siya mga knockers, so you can do like this. Diba? This is the photo book. Ganda. I love this one. Yeah, ano ba to siya? Ay, yung poster pa to. Ito yung poster na to. Yan siya. Later, and then the last part. I feel tired. No, just kidding. Ano to siya? Ano to? So, ayan mga knockers. So, next, yan, Arirang. So, ito yan siya, sticker. Yeah, isang sticker, sticker. And then, this one, yan, sticker din siya. Sticker, yung 7. Tapos, nandito lahat ng mga lyrics ni mga knocker. This one, yeah, it's, shush, photo cards. Living Legend. I love this one mga knockers, so parang I don't want to destroy this one. Actually, if you remove this one, look. No, I don't want to remove. I like this kind of design. So si RM, tapos si Jin, tapos si Suga, si J-Hope, si Jimin, si V, si Jungkook. Look mga knockers, nandito yung mga lahat ng pangalan nila. Yeah. It's a photo card I think also, but I don't want to destroy this one. I like this one. Next, ito yung photo cards. Ito yung photo cards. Yan, ito yung photo cards mga knocker. Si Suga, si RM, si Jin, si Jimin, si V, si J-Hope, and then si Jungkook. I have many photo cards. Thank you so much mga knockers. I hope you will enjoy the unboxing video. Pero ilalagay ko lahat tag-isa sa yung mga album siguro pag may time. So thank you so much. Nomo sarang BTS, Jung, RM, Jin, Suga, J-Hope, Jimin, V, and Jungkook. 너무 감사합니다. 그리고 많이 사랑합니다. 안녕. Ako po ang OFW ng South Korea, Mama.